A federal appeals court backed President Trump's bid to end special protected status for migrants from what he once reportedly called S-hole countries, ruling that his decisions are beyond the court's powers of review. The Ninth United States Circuit Court of Appeals also rejected claims that the administration was motivated by animus toward 4 countries involved in the case: El Salvador, Nicaragua, Haiti and Sudan, when it sought to end temporary protected status for migrants from those nations. The dual findings overturn a lower court's ruling and mark a major win for the president and Homeland Security, though other courts have issued their own holds on at least some of the policies. Immigrant rights activists said they were devastated by the decision, which could turn hundreds of thousands of people into illegal immigrants unless they leave. Temporary protected status is granted to migrants caught in the United States when natural disasters, political upheaval or other tragedies befall their home countries. It allows them to remain temporarily even if they were here illegally or their visas were due to expire, giving their home countries a chance to recover. But in the case of El Salvador, that temporary reprieve is now nearly 2 decades old, stemming from a 2001 earthquake. Haiti's designation came after a 2010 earthquake. The Trump administration said the countries had recovered, but activists objected and asked the courts to intervene. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said Monday that the corona pandemic is no time to prioritize a small deficit, arguing that such concerns shouldn't delay any new relief efforts. Mr. Mnuchin said on CNBC's Squawk Box, "Now is not the time to worry about shrinking the deficit or shrinking the Fed balance sheet. Had we not passed the $3 trillion deal and had the Fed not acted in the way they've done, I think you'd see a very, very different economic scenario right now." Mr. Mnuchin, along with White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, spearheaded negotiations with congressional Democrats on the relief deal in July and August. His latest sentiments echoed those of House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, California Democrat, who has defended her party's insistence on at least another $2 trillion deal by touting low interest rates from the Federal Reserve. Lawmakers on Capitol Hill have struggled to reach a compromise on corona relief spending since the Republicans released their $1 trillion proposal and talks began in earnest in July.